Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a microscope project in Scratch. This is going to be the part 1 of this project. In this part, I am going to show you only the screen designing and the coding we will do it in the next part. So the first thing I will do is first delete the cat sprite. Now I will upload a backdrop. Now we will extend it to the size of the screen or of the stage. Now I will center it in the middle. Now again make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, now it's okay. We will delete this one and I will name it backdrop. Now we will upload the sprites we need. The first sprite will be our water drop and it will be here. And I will name it as water drop. Then we will upload our rest of the sprites, which will be leaf, chicken feather, ant, rose, peacock, our microscope, and these. We need to delete these ones because we will not need them right now. We will only keep this one and rename it as enlarged water drop. And for now, we will hide it. So this is our microscope. We will lower its size to 50 and keep it here. The ant will be here. The chicken feather will be here. The peacock feather will be here. The ant will go here. The rose will be here and the leaf will be here. So our screen arranging is done. Now We will focus on this one. Now I will show it. Here I will go to its costume and name it as E water drop. Now I will upload more costumes. The other ones will be its and other costumes. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Yeah, now we will open them and here it's okay. Now we will name this E leaf. This one as E chicken feather. This one will be E ant. This one will be E rose. And this last one will be E peacock feather. Now we will position it at the center of the screen and enlarge its size. Now I will again hide it. Now we will name this ones. This one will be leaf. This one will be chicken feather. This one will be ant. This one will be rose. This one will be peacock feather. And this last one will be microscope. Now I will create a variable. It will be seeing. We will delete this one, my variable. Now we are done with the first screen. Now the coding, we will do it in the next part. So till then, bye and take care. Thank you.